Hi friends, today we're reading In a Garden, written by Tim McKenna and illustrated by Amy Sikoro. In a garden, on a hill, sparrows chirp and crickets trill. In the earth a single seed sits beside a millipede. Worms and termites dig and toil, moving through the garden soil. Then, at last, a tiny shoot ever slowly forms a root. First a seedling, then a sprout, pushing, bursting, up and out. In a garden, day by day, newborn flowers find their way. Look at all those colors. Sunlight warms the morning air. Dewdrops shimmer here and there. Earwigs scuttle, beetles scurry, roly-polies scoot and worry. Sleepy slugs and garden snails leave behind their silver trails. Frantic teams of busy ants scramble up the stems of plants. In a garden, week by week, little creatures hunt and squeak. Look, what does she have with her? Yeah, it's a little doggy. All the while, a sprout is growing without anybody knowing. Buds emerge and leaves unfold, braving wind and heat and cold. Stretching, spreading, open wide, just the perfect place to hide. Underneath, it's safe and snug for a lonely ladybug. In a garden, showers fall, dainty drinks for one and all. We need rain, don't we, to make things grow. Flower petals, bold and bright, blossom in the beaming light. Blooms of every shape and size call to bees and butterflies. Daisy, foxglove, tulip, plum, daffodil, chrysanthemum. That's a big word for a flower. Sips of nectar, warm and sweet, pollen clings to heads and feet. Round and round they buzz and flit, only pause to rest a bit. In a garden, bugs aglow, flashing, flying to and fro. Lacewings, gnats, mosquitoes, spiders, dragonflies, and water striders live among the cattail reeds, lily pads, and water weeds, keeping hid from hungry eyes, using colors to disguise. Crafty bugs with clever tricks look like leaves or bark or sticks. In a garden full of green, many moments go unseen. Finding shelter in the shade, a careful row of eggs are laid, as a cool and gentle breeze whispers through the tops of trees. Then a seed slips to the ground, sinking in without a sound. Time goes by, and then life returns to start again. They're getting ready for a new garden. Always changing, never still, in a garden, on a hill. Look, all those friends are gardening together. THEEND, the end. Thanks for reading today, friends.